Now we shall derive the moment of inertia of a cube. First of all, we shall draw a cube like this. And this is the origin or center of the cube. This is the origin O. This is x, y and z axis, and each of the length of each of the side is a. This is minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. Now the moment of inertia I x equal to integration of m y square plus z square. The value of m is rho into dv, density into volume, into y square plus z square, equal to rho constant, so it comes out of the integral. Dv equal to dx into dy into dz into y square plus z square, equal to rho into integration dx y square dy into dz plus rho into dx dy z square dz. We just separate this, equal to rho integrate dx integrate y square dy into integral dz plus rho integral dx integral dy integral z square dz, and the limit is minus a by 2 to plus a by 2 minus a by 2 to plus a by 2 minus a by 2 to plus a by 2, as we take the origin as center of the cube. Similarly, minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. Okay, then equal to, after integration should be x minus 2 plus y cube by 3 minus a by 2 to plus a by 2 into z minus a by 2 to plus a by 2 plus rho x into minus a by 2 plus a by 2 y integral of dy minus a by 2 into a by 2 into z cube by 3 minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. Putting the value of integrals, we get rho. While putting the value of integral, it will be a. This will be 1/3 a cube by 4 into this will be a plus rho. From this will be a, this will be a, this will be 1/3 a cube by 4. After some addition of this two term, 2 into rho a 1/3 a cube by 4 into a, as both are same, so we multiply 2, equal to 1 by 6 rho a cube into a square. To take the mass term, equal to 1/6. Rho is the density and a cube is the volume, so this is the mass m a square. From the symmetry we can write like symmetry Ixx equal to Iyy Izz 1/6 m square. From the symmetry of cube it can be written this like this. Now we shall evaluate the product of inertia of the cube. For this we change the page. This product of inertia, this is Ixy equal to m x into y rho dx dy dz into x y equal to rho constant into x dx y dy into dz equal to rho x dx y dy integration dz equal to rho. We put the value of integral limit minus a by 2 plus a by 2 minus a by 2 2 plus a by 2 minus a by 2 2 plus a by 2. So rho x square by 2 minus a by 2 2 plus a by 2 y square by 2 minus a by 2 2 plus a by 2 z minus a by 2 2 plus a by 2 after integration. Now we put the value of integral rho into after putting this value, this will be half a square by 4 minus a square by 4 into half a square by 4 minus a square 4 into a. This will 0, this will 0, so the total term will be 0. From the symmetry, ixy equal to iyz izx obviously 0. Now the moment of inertia tensor will be ixx ixy ixz iyx iyy iyz izx izy izz. This equal to 1/6 m square 0 0 0 1/6 m square 0 0 1/6 m square. This is the moment of inertia tensor of the cube, and this is the moment of inertia all by taking the origin at the center